Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
My sister, good morning. Oh, good morning. See, they have demolished my house. I was in the hospital. They just told me that they have started demolishing our house. They are demolishing the whole street. Oh, they just come and started demolishing. See, they are demolishing everywhere. They are demolishing. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, I could not bring out my property. I could not bring out my documents. They are demolishing everywhere. See. They are demolishing everywhere. Oh, the whole building, the whole house, they are demolishing. Oh, Rossville at Ajawo Estate. Rossville at Ajawo Estate. Oh, they are demolishing everywhere. Rossville Street at Ajawo Estate. See them. Oh, they came with two caterpillars. See them. Demolishing everywhere. I could not bring out anything from my house. Oh. I could not bring anything out. Oh. See. They came with courage. They came with courage. Oh. Demolishing everywhere. Demolishing.
I saw this video on social media. I couldn't hold my tears. Just take a look at what they are doing to Igbo properties in Rockview, Ajawo Estate. Rockview, Ajawo Estate. Just take a look at the millions properties worth millions of Igbos they are destroying there. I feel for all my brothers and my sisters, Igbo brothers and sisters who have a house, who have building in this Rockview, Ajawo Estate. And that brings me to wetin I want to talk. I don't know why Igbos are hated in Nigeria. It has been long I wanted to do this video, but this video of the house they are demolishing in Rockview, Ajawo Estate triggers me to speak this. Igbos are hated in Nigeria. I don't know why. What is happening? But I gave it a thought and I find out that they are jealous of Igbos. People are jealous of Igbos. Yorubas, because of the hatred they have for Igbos, they gave us a name. Ajokuta Mamomi. Ajokuta Mamomi. And they also call us this name, Omo Igbo. If you go in Lagos today or anywhere related in Yorubas, where Yorubas are living, what they always call Igbo people is Omo Igbo. I don't know why, but come to think of it, Igbos are developers. Igbos are developers. Igbos can when Igbos enter your seat, your state, just give them few years, they will develop your state. Come to Lagos, you will see how Igbos are developing Lagos. Igbos are real estate. They can, in a twinkle of eyes, they will make your state a London. I could remember trade fair. Yes, trade fair. We all know what popular market is. If you rate that market, it will be among the best in Africa. If not among the best. If not the best in Africa, rather. Trade fair. They put Igbo peoples there. They chase Igbo. There's a place they are staying before. They now move them to trade fair. When they move to trade fair is a desert, as in it's a forest. Nothing in trade fair. Igbo peoples now develop trade fair. Go to trade fair now. Trade fair is like a small London. It's Igbo person that we see a lagoon. We all know what is lagoon. Where water, small river. Igbo person, we seal that place up, build a house. The only thing other tribes can do. The only thing other tribes can do. I'm not even talking of Hausa. Hausa, they know they even build house in a place they are. They prefer taking all their wealth, money to their village. Hausa people, you see them squatting. Once they see one of their family member doing one security in one house, that's where they will all squat. I don't know much about Yoruba. Yoruba itself, they don't even build a house in any state they go to. Yorubas don't have properties in any state they go to. They prefer also developing their own state. Because all the Yorubas in Anambra today, in Igbo land today, they don't have property. They don't build. All the Hausas in Anambra today, they don't build. It is only Igbos that have this mind of developer. They can develop your state. It will look like small London. And among all, we are the most hated people in Nigeria. Igbos can develop your state, but they are most hated people in this country, Nigeria. I don't know why it is like that. I don't know why it's like that. But the only advice I will give to my Igbo people is that onye ajụrụ adị ajụ onwe ya. Onye ajụrụ adị ajụ onwe ya. Until we realize that we are the most hated people in this country, we will not go far in life. I could remember the last time Ojukwu came to trade fair. He saw what Igbo people built there. He saw what Igbo people built there. What he says to Igbo people is that good night. That good night means
This is so sad indeed. I might disagree with you, but does not make us enemies. People should have their own opinion. People should be able to air their view, to air their opinion without no cause for alarm. What is all this? It's unfair. So, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.